So I'm going to take you through really quick a tutorial of my program that I developed over the past 3 to 4 years by myself as I learned coding. So I learned coding and developed a program in the same time. And I wanted it to be a chatbot that was AI, but it wasn't. So I learned a lot about natural language processing and whatnot. And then when AI came out, it helped me a little bit to do like the nice looking features or whatnot. But the premise, the structure of the whole thing, GUI even, I taught myself before AI was able to help, and I'm very thankful for the help of AI today to make it better. And I'm going to keep improving upon it. And what it is it's almost it's called OSIRIS Chatbot Mirror Portal, and it has a 10-year corpus of all my words, my books, everything my own words. So it's like my past history of words and feelings put onto a let's say a spreadsheet, a notepad, and how I'm feeling now I put into it, and I want to have that reflect back to me something within that past 10 years that had that feels similar. So it actually might help me remember a past time to help me think of a new idea or help me figure out something out currently. So it's a way of putting my brain out there to expand it further, to come to new ideas and conclusions, which will lead to new questions usually. And it's just a fun thing that I made, and I'm going to keep working on it. And I'm trying to make it a little fun for everybody to use because the concept itself, a lot of people just don't take the time to really want to sit and understand the whole thing. So here it is, and it's free for anybody to download, between 2 to 3 gigs in size. And I I developed it with PyInstaller to run on Windows only, because I haven't taken the time to learn how to make it for Android. Or Android, I think it's too big of a program to make for your phone. Well, and Apple, I just haven't messed with Apple. So right now, Windows only. And if you send me an email, I can email you back the a zip. Most likely, it's going to be a zip folder you have to extract, and your computer might say something like, "Oh, there's a warning, virus," because of the fact that I didn't go through Windows to package this whole thing. I just did it with the free modules I can use on Python, and I don't even know how to make a virus or anything. So use at your discretion at that point. And it can be customized to use your own words in the corpus, and I can do that for you for free, just to help you think better, if you would like, to help you understand yourself more, is my goal, and to help. And here it is, and let me launch it on the computer here. It's funny, I have my little dodecahedron infinity cube here, and putting the computer at looking at itself, and is making an infinite amount of windows. Is that funny? Infinity. Infinity. Alright, so let me launch here. What you're seeing, I'm going to launch OSIRIS. There we are. And OSIRIS. Now you have to keep this the application in the folder, but once you can actually right click it and make a shortcut to create a desktop shortcut and that you can use. So, but for now, let me just launch it from the folder, minimize all this, and here it is. First, you're going to get a password prompt. You're going to have a little window that pops up with, those are just I'll explain later, but this is the password part, and the default password is lowercase I space love you. So go into it with a positive motion, and we're gonna launch. And I embedded into it a song that I made, a little clip of a song that I feel very profoundly. It's very profound, and you might enjoy. So. And this is not AI, by the way. it's loading the program, and I put the Om song on there, just maybe a hint to people that it's actually good for your breathing and lowers your blood pressure to just hum the Om. Do it for 5 minutes. It's actually very beneficial for your health. I reviewed it myself, and so you can lower it, but let's keep it here. And this is Osiris, the portal. I'm going to say hello. He does have default responses to keep conversations going, and he is not AI.
Monkey brain, it's you.
Monkey brain, it's you. Yes, it is I. It is I. I'm going to say SJR, your dad. And I love you. I'll just put that in there for now. We'll see what he says.
I could joke around all day, but seriously, you saw in me the creative side that I had just wanted to be set free.
Oh, well, see, that's a profound thought from him back to me, and he's not AI, so that's cool. So that's what he does. Soul parameters is the corpus, so how long it is. So the soul parameter is coming up on 1 million, and here's a little place where you can just draw, whatnot, drool around, and here is where you can say just like hello, have him repeat back to you. I remember as a kid I had like one of those parrots that repeated back to you. I feel like this is like something that you could do while you're here.
Hello.
See? And here is a map. It's a sunburst pattern of the think, feeling values that I turn words into a think, feeling value. Like if you see something you don't know what it is, you try to describe it. So I'm turning words into numbers and plotting them as a sunburst pattern. For some reason though, it characters on the keyboard change its positioning. I don't know how. I didn't code that into there, so that's just odd. And I also coded, though, into this. Oh, this is the numbers running up here. This is something we can talk about. It's interesting. It's something I did. But for now, let's just quickly talk about the journal. I coded PDF, not a PDF, like a text editor. And it's quite hard to actually just make a text editor itself. Now, that's encrypted. So what I do here, so it's encrypted. It's like your journal. You can actually journal things in here. So let's decrypt it. That's a little memory to my brother, Jonathan. I put there to pop up. And now, when you highlight the words here, right? We're gonna evaluate mood. I made this myself. I've never seen it in a text editor before. A sentiment analysis. I got a 0.97. One is positive, -1 is most negative. And subjectively, it's 0.33%, and objective is 0.31. So, based on facts or how I feel. So this is a way for you to also bounce like your words off of yourself to see from an outside perspective how it is. Because on Facebook sometimes I made things where like I don't know when I say to someone, they might take it differently than how I actually mean it to be. So that's why I created that. Now from here, it's highlighted. You can encrypt it, and it's my own little encryption that I made. Hello, Jonathan. My brother passed away. Little thing I made for him. And there it is. It's just a coded thing, and it always saves. You don't have to save it. You just X out. It saves. And that's my program. And you can actually just tell it, if it's a positive response, negative response, and something fun that I made that can be modified even more. And as you see, the GUI is going in and out. I thought that was kind of interesting. It could be annoying to some people, but you're not here to have like a hours-long conversation usually with Osiris. So enjoy. It's for free. It's between 2 to 3 gigs in size. I'm always working on making it better, and it's not AI. Created solely by me, Scott T.W. Baker Jr. And when you download it, remember I used a free module to actually make it. So it might say something about security, but I don't even know how to make a virus. That would be a waste of my time to try to make something to harm someone else's computer. So thank you for watching, and take care.